Alright, what's going on? Addicted to RC here. We got a bit of an upgrade. Got one of my Mini-Zs on the table here. We got my Mini-Z here, the 4x4 with the Catappi Tank Tracks. We're going to connect it with the Kyosho XSpeed Motor. There's the part number there. There's a couple different motors. I'm not sure all the differences in all of them, but I know this one is for the ICS cars. This is for the newer cars. Goes right in any of the MR03s, the MA020, or hopefully the 4x4. We're going to find out in a minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this thing. Get a stock run. See how it does. The stock motor on the Catappi Tank Tracks. Then from there we'll come back, we'll swap out the motor, go take another run, see how it does. Come back, give some final thoughts. See if it's worth the upgrade. Is the Mini-Z one of the most scale, best crawlers out there? I think so. This one just needs a little more wheel speed. Let's get into it. Let's give her a test on the stock motor. Find out how good it runs. Okay, so let's get a speed test. Stock motor. Kyosho 4x4 on the Catappi Tank Tracks. That's full speed. Reverse is definitely struggle. Now, I could probably take these tracks out, and you can see it's full trigger. A little bit more. Good test. Let's move you up here. Do a full trigger pull, ready? This thing is so well controlled on the track. It just lacks a little bit of power. So if the XSpeed motor fixes that, great. If not, we're going to have to go with a brushless setup in here. And these Mini-Zs are not like the SCX24 where you can easily upgrade something. Everything's proprietary on here. Even the motor mount doesn't typically doesn't screw in from the front. It's held in from the front and back. We'll see that in a minute. We're going to upgrade this one either way. This track is not finished. It's just something for me to play with. Alright, that's it. Alright, so that was it. That was a run on the stock motor. It's pretty good. It's great. It's fun. Just a little bit more wheel speed and it'd be perfect. So let's see if we can upgrade this thing. Put the motor in it, see how much more wheel speed we get. Let's go do it. XSpeed motor for the Mini-Z 4x4. We got the Mini-Z 4x4, the XSpeed motor. Let's see what it does. So you can see underneath you have two plastic pins here and here, and a metal clip that goes across. That's what you have to separate. So you pull down and the body will pop off. The Mini-Z, two pieces, this piece here and this piece here. So you just flip this one as well. Separate it. Be able to cover off of the pinion area of the motor. So it comes there. Take off this side panel. 2 screws. For my Mini, It's a titanium husky. It has all kind of different little tools in it. So you pull that off so you can get access to the motor cover. There you go. Disconnect the power wires on the battery. Now I don't know if the 4x4 motor is any different. Rear drive and all-wheel drive versions. If it is, it's going to be a significant upgrade. So we'll find out. Pinions pretty much all the way on. Well, lots of RCs here. We're gonna have some fun. We got lots to do. Lots of upgrades happening. Got some bodies to paint. If you're addicted to RC, you've come to the right place, because I'm addicted to RC. Plastic knit. XSpeed. Right? Would that be right? Would that be right? Right? Necessary, however, keep all dirt and stuff in. Truck, power up the receiver. All right, so we are on. Sounds a little healthier. Going to translate to, but we're about to find out. Let's get the side piece on. All right, she's all finished. She's upgraded. Let's go test her out. All right, that's definitely faster. Push the screw to the backwards turn now. Let's see reverse. That's great. Okay, a little tired and that's it. Alright, so the motor's in. We just took our first run. Wow. What a difference. Way more controlled, way more wheel speed. This thing's gonna definitely take on some terrain outside. A lot easier than it would have with the stock motor. So for about $20, is it one of the best mods you can do for the Kyosho Mini-Z? I say yes. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's Addicted to RC, and we're out.